Step 1 to fixing your total truck. Replace those stock ass wheels.
Oh my god. Bro, this thing is ridiculous.
So, our friends at Custom Offsets continue to amaze me at the things that they do. And they surprised me today with a new set of wheels for the Dually.
Oh, this is a pleasant surprise.
This is a great surprise. HD Luxxx Off-Road and Dustin at Custom Offsets, who is like my favorite. Dustin Core, thank you so much. This is awesome. This is really, really awesome. But he was at SEMA, and HD Luxxx just now came out with this line of wheels, and he was like, hey, you still wanting to fix that Dually up? And I was like, yeah. He was like, well, I got, this company just came out of wheels. I could talk to him if you think you might want them. And then I haven't even heard of shipping. I haven't even heard that they wanted to for sure do it. I was told that they were interested, and then here they are. So, pleasant surprise.
My dumbass just now realized, I was like, I was sitting there for like, what the fuck is there 6 of them?
Oh my god, dog.
Oh my, they're so deep.
I can actually disappear inside of that. To my shoulders. Hello.
Hello.
If you would like to check out your own HD Luxxx wheels, please go to Custom Offsets. These guys are the absolute best. If you remember, we made a video a while back on the AT4 whenever we had it doing wheels and tires, and they really did almost the exact same thing back then, and they have always been so good to me. They put wheels on our Sprinter. Like, they really take care of us. So if you want to go check them out, please, 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 please click the link. Go check out HD Luxxx. I'm pretty sure that they sell these wheels on their site, obviously. So I guess we'll have to get some tires for these and see how they look. Unless they're surprising us with tires too. I don't know.
2 weeks later.
What is this?
Our wheels now have tires.
Step 1 to fixing your total truck. Replace those stock ass wheels. Wow, pal. Bro, you are so high.
Occasionally, I am elevated.
What is going on, guys? Me and Poe are back up here at the shop today with the F350, and we are getting ready to get this thing up off the ground, and then we're gonna pull off our wheels. I've got to pull off all the OEM wheels and then get the tire sensors out of these wheels and get them transferred over into our new wheels and then mount the tires on the wheels. So we've got our new tires over here, Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Pretty cool tire. We're gonna go ahead and get all those mounted, and hopefully, I believe with this tire size and wheel setup, we shouldn't have to lift it and we shouldn't have any rubbing. So let's go ahead and get started on the install, and I guess we'll find out together. This is like crazy because this is step 1 to the transformation of this truck, and I've been looking forward to that shit for so many months now. So
Been way too long.
dude, it has, bro. Like, it has been a minute that this truck's been just looking like this. Look at the door. Yeah, Toe Pig's finally getting some love, man. Golly.
Oh, that was way smooth.
Damn, I didn't even know there was lockers in here. Whoa, bro. Look at that. What? I've never had a wheel off of a Dually up front to even see, but it's got like a big giant hub adapter from the small hub to giant hub, obviously. Pretty cool stuff. Damn, that's actually gonna look gas. Oh, boy. That's actually gonna look really cool, hell yeah. Okay, now I need to see if they gave me lug nuts, because that's very important. I don't believe they did. Tell me why I'm just now thinking about that. Literally, we're looking on the shelf over here, and I'm like, no, I'm pretty sure I got some lug nuts. Poe's like, I wish I had my old lug nuts. It turns out Poe left his old spiked lug nuts here, and look at this. We have some, and they thread and work. So, what do this thing is gonna look ridiculous? You sure I could use them?
Yeah, you could use them, but
Thanks,
it's gonna
bro.
look funny.
That is gonna look wild.
Sorry, internet. Oh yeah.
Is this the easiest set of wheels that I've ever fucking
I
owned
think you
in my
just
life?
got it all wrong with cars.
Is that serious? Are we done? It's heavy. All right, first wheel and tire, balanced, mounted, ready to go. We're gonna throw this thing on and see what it looks like on a corner, and we actually can drop the truck on the ground after this, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Oh boy.
Stick out so much, bro.
One corner going down. Jesus Christ.
Wow, it's so much.
Oh, it's motherfucker, bro. The wheels look freaking amazing, and honestly, I didn't even think I would like the spike lugs, but I kind of do. It's kind of dope. And did you know if you went to Custom Offsets right now and you use me as a reference, you would actually save a little bit of money on it?
Really? So
Yeah, and you could cop you some wheels, bro.
Pop some wheels. I need some new wheels for the drift car.
This is gonna look like a whale.
Yeah. All you're missing is the motor on the back of her.
Flatbed. All right, here we go.
What a unit.
What in the bro? at this, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? This ain't parking nowhere anymore.
There's no way you're sticking this
No,
thing
you're
in
just
one
taking
lane.
up 2 spots
Look
now.
at this. Look at this. There's no fucking way this thing's parking. The good news, though, is that no matter who drives it, these are not going to get curbed.
Yes,
hopefully.
sir.
Next time you're in between a bridge sidewall and an 18-wheeler, it's just gonna be like,
Oh, it's gonna be nerve-wracking.
yeah, dude, this thing was big already.
Definitely a lot taller.
It is?
It is way taller feeling.
Oh my god, she's huge!
That is a fat truck.
It's massive.
It's so sad now, the front being so destroyed. It's so close to looking beautiful. We're gonna go drive on them real quick. I gotta go pick up dog food from the house anyway, so I'm gonna run home, grab that, and then I'm gonna run back. I'm gonna just make sure everything's like, okay. We'll be back.
Alright. Oh my god, bro, there's so much room.
Guys, we got the truck back. It drives amazing. Like, it is a much better ride than factory, and I think it's a lot to do with the fact that we've just got such a taller tire on the same size wheel, and good God, does it look so much better. It's at this point that I have to give a humongous thanks to Morimoto. Check this out. This is the big reveal. I've been talking to you guys about having some new headlights for the dually that I was gonna be putting in as soon as we got all of, you know, the wreck stuff fixed. And check them out. So if you see the Shelby's headlights, these headlights are pretty much a very similar look to what the F350 is going to have. And compared to stock, it completely changed the appearance of this truck. So I am so excited to see it on the F350. By the way, guys, go to itsjust6.com, grab inches in to win this car. That's all, okay. Oh my God. Bro, this thing is ridiculous. Huge thanks to Morimoto again. Unfortunately though, we couldn't put these headlights in, but I have not been able to see at night in weeks. If you see, whenever we got in a wreck, it completely cracked and shattered the entire housing, and a lot of moisture and rain and dirt and debris, all kinds of stuff has been getting inside of these things. So I had to figure out something, and Morimoto came in clutch yet again. So this is actually Morimoto's newest product, I believe. This is their 4-bangers. These are really, really freaking cool. If you check it out, oh my God, dude, the box.
That is pretty cool.
Oh my God, so sick. These are LED pods, but they are the brightest on the market as far as I know. If you guys possibly remember way back doing the train horns, these switches up here, that one usually turns on the train horn when the truck is on. This one is for the air compressor to keep the tank aired up. And I'm gonna tap into another one of these switches, and we're actually gonna use these for our new pods that we're wiring in on the front of the truck. So we're gonna go ahead, get these things mounted, get them wired up, and hopefully we'll have some freaking light and wheels on this thing. I can't wait. Look at this.
What?
Whoa.
Oh, dude. I found out what the fuck. Come on now, working.
For real?
The harness not plugged.
It's not plugged in.
So basically what I'm going to try to do is figure out what in the fuck I can, what in the fuck can I put in there to give it a little shim. Idea, behind the bracket, I'm going to take 2 of these self-tappers, drill them in, that way, whenever it sits down, the head of the self-tapper will be back there, and it'll angle it out a little bit.
I'm just doing what I'm told. I'm gonna drill a hole, you know what I'm saying?
Make sure we got the Morimoto logo pointed upwards. For everybody that's gonna be looking at this shit like, God damn, that bitch sexy. I was in college for engineering. I dropped out, if you can't tell, but I was there. Our freaking 4-bangers are installed right there on the grill. Looking amazing. Got a fresh alignment on them bad girls. About to back this truck out of here, get Girth outside, see if he can light up the world. Girth lost sight.
No.
He's getting it back.
We don't do that here. Yeah.
Dude, they actually have a freaking beam to them.
Yeah, they
Holy shit. Hey, Morimoto.
Yeah, these are really
There's 2 different options, I believe. There's like a spot beam, and then there's also like a complete flood where it just lights up the entire everything. These have like a sharp cutoff on them, and that's the reason that they sent these to us for temporary use, is because they actually are going to work flawlessly for driving.
Front camera probably works now too.
Oh yeah, because he plugged it in.
Yeah.
Girth is like, hey, look. What?
Full lock and there's no rub.
Hey,
That's
let's
crazy.
go. Bruh. Hey, it does work.
Dude, it looks like it has headlights on it from in front.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, that is crazy. We like legitimately have headlights again with just a fog light. Ah, that's so sick. Thank you so much, Morimoto. Well guys, there we have it. We've got new wheels, new tires, and new lights, kind of, on the F350. But as soon as we get all the body stuff fixed, we are gonna be putting new lights and new grille and all kinds of stuff. The entire front end of the truck is gonna be blacked out at that point. It's gonna look freaking sick. But for now, you know, it looks a little funny, but it's okay. It's okay.
You can see at nighttime, that's what matters.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing.
And you can stunt in parking lots.
Yeah, and I can't park between two spots now.
You can take up 2 spots and everyone's gonna understand.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next to the truck. All that we've done so far is wheels, tires, and a train horn. That's it. So it's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video. Make sure you go check out Morimoto, Retrofit Source, Custom Offsets. Those guys have seriously helped make this truck have such a huge turnaround in such a short period of time. And we've only got more coming. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you next video.
Can't hang around us, we'll hang around dumb dude.
Wanna go see if I can get the truck still?
Oh, no, Mia's out. She said, hell no, I ain't jumping in that truck.
Damn. Oh,
There's a step.
They open?
Go, Mia. Oh yeah, so we fixed that today too.
What?
Look, she's not gonna do it no more.
Really? And he fixed the step for you, fat ass.
Come on, Mia, get in. Mia, go get in. Go. Get in. There we go.
Yeah, she made it.
Good girl.
Been bout it, I've been wildin'. Style, but I've been stylin'. My checks been fat, I've been ballin'. Chase racks, catch commas, done dodging.